Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 12 Steps, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Costco employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto its search bar and just type for Costco employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will be on your screen. Click on the first link that pops up, and this will take you to the official website of Costco. And here on the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see an option for current employee login. If you tap on current employee login, it will take you to a different page where you need to input your credentials. Now just tap on current employee login. And after you do so, it will take you to this interface where now you need to input your user ID and password. Now just input your user ID, which can also be your email address or your Costco account, that is your LAN ID. Now just input your user ID right here, and after you do so, input your password correctly as it is case sensitive. And after inputting your user ID and password, just hit on sign in and then you'll be signed in into your Costco employee account. But in case you are having any troubles while signing in, you can use this button, trouble signing in, to help you aid in your difficulty. Now, this was for this video, and that's how you can sign in into your Costco employee account. I hope you guys found our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.